says the solution to this equation lies between 2 and 3. Okay, so use trial and improvement to find this solution correct to 1 decimal place. Okay, so if it's between 2 and 3, best place to start is in the middle, 2.5. Okay, and you guarantee to get a mark then if you go in the center there, 2.5. Now it says x cubed, so because my x in this case now, I'm going to have a go at being 2.5. I'll put 2.5 instead of it, so x cubed becomes 2.5 cubed. It says then take away x, so take away 2.5 and then take away 10. Okay, so all I'm doing is I'm substituting in 2.5 for the x value there. Okay, so I type that into my calculator, 2.5 cubed, take away 2.5, take away 10, and I get out this here. Okay, so it comes as a fraction, so if I press the SD button, it comes out as 3.125. Now I wanted it to be 0, didn't I? I wanted it as close to 0 as possible, but obviously it's come out with a bigger answer, so that means my x value is just too big. Okay, it's too high, we could say, yeah? Okay, or too big, it doesn't matter what words you use, but putting 2.5 in gives us an answer which is above 0. So this is too high. So if 2.5 is too high, we need to check the next one down, 2.4. Now what's good is I can use my calculator, okay, and I can just press the back button on the replay and change that to 2.4, okay, and I get out, press the SD button, 1.24, okay, 1.424, okay. Now again, it's too high, yeah, because I wanted it to be 0, but that comes out as a bigger than 0, so 2.4 is too high. Notice as well, I haven't written this down, 2.4 cubed minus 2.4 minus 10, that doesn't matter, you don't need to write it down, okay? As long as it's on your calculated display and you get an answer out, the answer is what they're looking for here, so you don't need to write it all down, right? Otherwise we do it here all day. So let's go for 2 by 3, because 2.4 is too high, so 2.3, so I do that. Now, when I put 2 by 3 in, I actually get a negative answer out. So press the SD button, it comes out as minus 0.133. Too low now, isn't it? My answer, the answer I've got here is too low, okay? I want it to be 0, and it's less than 0, so the 2.3 value gives me an answer too low. So 2.3 is too low. Okay, so quite simply, what I can decide then, once I've got one that's too high and one that's too low, I can do a little number line, alright? And put 2.3 at one end, 2.4 at the other end. Now 2.4 is too high, right? So we need to go smaller than 2.4, don't we? Because 2.4 is too high, but 2.3 is too low, so we need to go bigger than 2.3. So somewhere between here. So what you need to do then, to get the marks, you need to go in the middle again, right? In the middle of those two. So in the middle of those two is 2.35, yeah? So if I check 2.35, okay, so I'll go back here now. Oops, let's just delete that. Change that to a 5 as well, 2.35, and I get out 0.6278, blah, 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 yeah? Now that comes out to be positive, which means, okay, which means it's still too high, isn't it, in that case? So 2.4 is too high, 2.35 will give me an answer that's too high. Okay, I want it to be 0, so comes out as 0.6 something. So that's too high, so I need to try something lower. But the good thing is now I've established I need to find something lower, okay, because of the answer I got here. The answer lies in here somewhere, okay? It's got to be here somewhere, x has got to be here. And once we've established it's got to be here, we've then actually got the answer, because it says give the answer correct to 1 decimal place. So if it's here somewhere, it doesn't matter where it is, it's actually closer to 2.3, isn't it? Okay, so to 1 decimal place, the solution, whatever it is here, will be closest to 2.3.